Okay, this is Melissa. All right, to the side. Okay. Okay, that's good. Ain't used to that rug, are they?
Misty.
Misty. Okay. She got a dot between her forehead. Okay, and she's all colored up too. She's kind of spotted like the rest. These two.
Diane.
Diane. All right, to the side. Okay, let her down. She got a spot in her back here, just a little bitty one. See it? And this one is.
Chick.
This one is Chick. Okay, set her down right here. Okay. And they don't have much spots. All right, bring them over one more time, Raven. We'll let them look. You see the color that they got on them. So whatever we said they was, that was the color. We didn't do the color, did we? All righty. We're going to town now. Let's get down here a little lower. Okie dokie. That one there, she's got the dot right between her eyes now. Okie dokie.